Every year in Italy, there are more than 8 million pigs raised for meat consumption. Of those, more than 50% comes from Lombardy, and almost 1.5 million come from the province of Brescia, where entire areas of land are almost exclusively used for pig breeding. Animal Equality investigated a farm in the region, and what we found was a far cry from the quality and animal welfare standards praised in the ads by the meat industry. In fact, the brutality of this system emerges after reviewing evidence collected from the farm, which shows that many animals will die before slaughter, abandoned without assistance or veterinary care. Many untreated pigs are found to have various diseases, bruises, and signs of stress and suffering, with open wounds and swelling of their limbs. These ailments are due to the negligent behavior of managers who have not put in place protocols to guarantee minimum animal welfare standards. Other animals are simply left to die because they are sick or considered too weak. Many pigs, with some just a few months old, were documented to be abandoned in the middle of the corridors for days without food or water. And some of them were explicitly ignored by the operators. The images we collected show operators carelessly pushing past the animals despite the pigs being frightened and unable to move. One of the pigs is even sprayed by operators during the cleaning of the building and becomes visibly agitated, unable to get up and move. The pig seems to be trying to drink the water on the floor because no one has provided them with anything fresh. After days of being stranded in the corridor, without access to food or water, the animal is dragged away on the concrete by the two operators shown in the video. The frightened pig struggles desperately to free itself from the chain around its hind leg. Several times, dead pigs were found to be left discarded in the hallways and pens next to their live companions. Even in what is called the infirmary, we found animals with untreated wounds kept in filthy, insufficient environments, with dead pigs rotting alongside their still living companions. Here, in what should be an area where care and assistance are provided, some pigs are found to have instead died while lying in water contaminated with their own waste. The hygienic and sanitary conditions of the farm are alarming. Rats are everywhere, and the feces of both rats and pigs end up contaminating the feeders and food supply, creating a breeding ground for contamination and disease. Pigs are intelligent, sensitive animals. The pain, suffering, and stress they are subjected to behind the doors of these cruel places are almost unthinkable. Please, leave animals off your plate.